Pairing your phone to the vehicle lets you make and receive calls through your vehicle's audio system without handling your phone, so you can easily stay in touch with your world while you're on the go. Here's the procedure for pairing the first phone. It must be done while the vehicle is parked and the power is on. First, make sure your phone is in discoverable mode. From the home screen on the color touchscreen, touch the phone icon. Touch Manage Phones, then select Add Phone. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair the phone. A 6-digit code will appear on the phone. Make sure it matches the code on the display and touch Pair. If the phone asks to accept the connection or allow the phone book to be downloaded, touch Always Accept and Allow, and you're hooked up. You can pair up to 10 phones. To add more, touch Settings on the color touchscreen, then Connections, and select Phones. Then just follow the steps. See the vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.